So the big question is, how do women like us, who are wearing so many different hats each day, and who don't cheat by looking like we have everything under control, take back our homes and life, free from the chains of clutter? How do we simplify, get started, get unstuck, let things go and create more time, so that we can truly focus on what is essential for a happy and healthy life with our loved ones? That is the question, and this show will give you the answers. My name is Lizelle Tenton, and welcome to the Vanilla Essence Show.
Hi, I'm Liz, and I will be your host for this show. Welcome back. It's that time of the year again, when we are all trying to figure out what to buy everyone for Christmas. And the more I think about it, the more I realize how ridiculous the stress and anxiety is that we are placing on ourselves. And that for spending money on stuff that the other person most probably doesn't need or want or even will appreciate. But there is a way how we can contribute to giving less unwanted and unappreciated stuff that will most probably land in a corner or a cupboard somewhere gathering dust. Instead of stuff, let's give our loved ones an experience for Christmas that won't add to the clutter. It can be a free experience gift that you give by giving your time, or it can be an expensive getaway as an expensive gift. There is an experience gift fit for every budget. Memories last a lifetime. This is why experience gifts make some of the best gifts ever. So I wanted to share some great ideas for experience gifts with you today. First, you can buy someone tickets to a concert, a festival, the theatre, or a ballet they always wanted to see. And what about movie tickets with enough money to buy popcorn and a drink as well? And there's also tickets to a sporting event, tickets for a bowling night, or tickets for admission to the skating rink. Just imagine how much fun that will be. The gift of a membership to a local venue is also a great idea as a family gift. This could be a membership to places like the Children's Museum or the aquarium. Give someone the gift of the experience of a spa date, a manicure or a pedicure, a massage or a hair appointment. What about a yoga membership, an Audible subscription, or a weekend away? Tickets to a wine tasting. If you have a limited budget, you can always give experience gifts by offering your time to babysit, to cook them a dinner, or take over the kids' baths for a week. And being a mom of 2 boys myself, I can hardly explain how much a gift like that would mean to me. And this gift will mean so much more than a random item you picked off the shelf. So I challenge you to give experience gifts a try this Christmas.